Where are they? The ghost eyes. Be clever, miss. Even if you win, she'll never let you go. You're wrong, Coraline J. Baby, swatting wood.
Welcome back to another Trendy Halloween video. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, and for the month of October I'm posting a bunch of Halloween content on my YouTube channel, and I'm calling the series Trendy Halloween. So if you are new today, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more Halloween content from me. So for today's video, I am back with another baking video. It's been a little bit since I've baked, and I figured why not jump back into it for the holidays. And since Halloween is right around the corner, I found this adorable cookie recipe on Pinterest, and they are maple cinnamon mummy cookies. I thought they would be perfect to make for my family and have a little spooky movie night. So if you guys would like to see how they are made, then make sure you stick around and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So without further ado, let's get to baking. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of butter, 1½ cups of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon maple extract, 1 egg, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. First, we are going to mix together the butter, brown sugar, maple syrup, vanilla and maple extract, and egg until it's blended well. In a separate mixing bowl, you're going to want to stir together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Make sure it's free of any clumps. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients mixing bowl and stir until combined. After everything is blended together, you're going to want to cover your batter and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Now that our cookie dough is chilled and thrilled, we are going to set the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and start rolling our cookie dough into small round balls, about 3 teaspoons big. I like to lay parchment paper down on my baking sheets, that way my cookies don't stick to the pan and break apart once I'm ready to take them off the tray. Time to bake these babies in the oven for 12 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, we are going to let them cool on the baking sheet for about 6 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. While they cool, we are going to quickly whip up the vanilla glaze that we are going to pour on top of our cookies. You will need 1 cup of powdered sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about 6 tablespoons of heavy cream. If you want more of a frosting, then cut back on the heavy cream and only do 3 tablespoons. Now for the fun part, mummifying our cookies. Make sure your cookies are completely cooled before doing this step, otherwise the glaze will run right off of your cookies. I found these cool eyeball sprinkles by Wilton at Target. They taste a lot like that fun dip stick candy. It's so good. And that is how you make maple cinnamon mummy cookies. This recipe is so simple, cute, and tastes spooktacular. If you love seasonal fall sweet treats, then you'll enjoy these cookies. They're the perfect fall treat. Let me know if you guys decide to try this recipe out. I'd love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next Trendy Halloween video. Bye, pumpkins!